Yet this is a relatively recent view of life on the canals, because when the first of these waterways was built way back in the 1700s, the idea of actually choosing to spend time on them for peace, quiet and relaxation would have been laughable. The Industrial Revolution transformed the rural landscape of Britain as towns and cities, complete with mills and factories, grew nationwide. Power for machinery was provided by steam, and sufficient hot air to keep the newly invented wheels of commerce turning was dependent upon a good, steady supply of coal. Digging coal out of the ground has always been incredibly difficult, and transporting it to where it was required in the early days of manufacturing was almost as difficult again, which is why a wealthy 18th century mine owner, some 6 miles from Manchester, decided to have a canal built to carry his coal to the big city. Straddling the magnificent Pennine Hills, transporting coal by horsepower had been prohibitively expensive, and the new canal allowed the foresighted Duke to make a huge profit. As with all good ideas, news travelled fast, and soon all the major industrial centres wanted canals to give them transport links to the rivers and ports of London, Liverpool and Bristol. Canal mania swept the land, and at the height of the craze there were some 4,000 miles of navigable waterways carrying in excess of 30 million tonnes of freight each year.